Okay, so today in this lecture we are going to start the new subject, we can say, that is a digital electronic. Okay, so here we are going to start digital electronic. Okay, digital electronic. So maximum they ask the questions from number system and digital, right? Maximum time in STAT or PGD they ask the questions from that number system, and another thing they ask the questions from that gate and simplification. In simplification we can say that is algebra, we can say linear algebra, sorry, boolean algebra, we can say. Okay, so major they ask from number system, and they may ask from gate also, and that algebra simplification from that one also, and it may be that they ask some question further, but we'll discuss later about that. But I think they will not ask the question from that counter and register. From register and counter they will not ask, and it may be that they may ask the questions from that flip flop, and flip flop, that basic one, right? So main thing is what, that starting part one is number system, gate and simplification, right? It may be key map. Okay, so today we'll start with that number system. Okay, so today in this class we'll start with number system. Number system. So here basically they ask about this number system. One is the binary, one is binary number system. Okay, next is octal, octal. After that it is a decimal, decimal, and next one is that is a hexadecimal, hexadecimal, right? So many of time they ask the questions related to the conversion from one number system to the another number system. ठीक है, एक नंबर सिस्टम से दूसरे नंबर सिस्टम का क्या पूछते हैं, समटाइम दे आस्क द कन्वर्जन. Fine. So let's start with this number system, and we'll learn the basic of this number system today in this class. So one thing, you confirm me that my voice is clear or not, and another thing that this video is clear or not. Okay, both clear, then fine. Let's continue. So here this is what a binary number system. If we talk about the binary number system, so no audio. Okay, maximum. I don't know what's the problem going with your system, that voice is not there, because all other candidates they are not facing this problem. Okay, so write down a message to Meenakshi. Anyone write down a message to Meenakshi that you are facing this problem, so that we'll rectify this problem later. Okay, so I will send the recorded video. ठीक है, तो कोई सेंड कर दो मैसेज. Or should I write down? Just a minute. Okay, so let's continue. So if we talk about the binary number system, so for binary number system here base will be 2, right? In binary number system base will be 2, and what can be the values? So in the binary number there can be two values, 0 or 1, and its base is 2. Okay, and if we talk about next one, that is a octal number system. So in case of octal number system, here base is 8. Okay, okay, so here base is 8, and what are the values? In case of octal, values are, it is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on 7, 0 to 7, right? And 0 to 7 total are 8, so its base is what? 8. So in case of octal, base is 8 and numbers are, values are, it is 0, 1, 2 and 7. Okay, mute हो गया. Yes, now it is fine. Okay, I think mute हो गया था मेरी end से. हाँ, so here, let me repeat this one. For binary number system, base is 2 and digits are 0 and 1, right? And another thing, if we talk about octal number system, in case of octal number system, base is 8, right? Base is 8, and another thing, that numbers are, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So total numbers are 8. Okay, so in case of this octal number, we cannot exceed the value than the 7, right? 7 से ज़्यादा नहीं exceed कर सकते कोई value. Okay, let's see the next one, that is the decimal number system. If we talk about decimal number system, here base is 10, right? And this is the most popular number system. If we talk in journal we can say in daily life we are using this decimal number system. Okay, so base is 10, and what are the values here? Values are 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Okay, so we can say total values are what? It is 10. So here base is 10. And what about the hexadecimal number system? We talk about hexadecimal number system, it's a base, or we can say radix also. So its base is what? It's a 16. Okay, and what are the values allowed here? So values are, it is 0 to 9. 0 to 9. After 0 to 9 we cannot write down 10. For 10 here value is A, then B, then C, D, E and F, right? So these are the total 16 values. 0 to 9 total it is 10. After that it is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, so total values are 16. So we can say base will be 16 here. Okay, so values are 0 to 9 plus, for A we can say, for 10 there is a, for 11 it is B, for 12 it is C, and for 13 it is D, and for 14 it is E, and for 15 it is F, we can say. Okay, so these are the bases and these are the values come inside this number system. So till this part it is clear or not? Yes, till this part is it clear or not? Okay, clear. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, after that we'll see the conversion, right? So we know that these are the numbers and what are their bases and what are their values. Now we'll see the conversion. Okay, let's see some numbers and then tell me this number is a octal number, is this decimal number, and what type. Let's see the example. So if we talk about the example for binary number system, we can say that this is but a 101. This is a binary number. Another 1010. This is also a binary number. We can say this one 4 times 1 also a binary number, and so on. These are the example for the binary numbers. Okay, so these are the example for the binary numbers. And if we talk about the octal numbers, so in case of octal, what can be the example? Let me write down. Can I say it is 1 2? 1 2 is a octal number. Yes, 1 2 is a octal number because 1 is present inside this one and 2 is also present inside this one. So 1 2 is the octal number. What about next one? Let me say it is 7 and 4. This is also a octal number because 7 and 4 they both are existing here in this range. So 7 4 is also a octal number. What about triple seven? Let me say. So triple seven, this is also a octal number. Okay, and if we talk about this one, let me say 7 and 8. Is this octal number? Can you tell me? Is this a octal number? 7 8? No. Okay. So 7 8 is not a octal number because that 8 doesn't comes inside these values. ठीक है, तो इसकी वैल्यूज में क्या नहीं आता, 8 नहीं आता, तो 8 को रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर सकते यहाँ पे. ठीक है, सो ये क्या नहीं है, दिस इज नॉट ए ऑक्टल नंबर. ओके, लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट वन. Next one, a decimal number. If we talk about decimal number, so all these are the example for the decimal number also. ठीक है, ये सारे के सारे क्या थे, डेसिमल के भी एग्जाम्पल थे. अदर देन दिस वन वी कैन से 100, it is a decimal number, or we can say 102 decimal number, 11 decimal number, and we can say 92 decimal number, 99 decimal number, and so on. These all are the decimal number. And if we talk about this one, that it is 9a, this is not a decimal number because this is hexadecimal number. Okay, so this one is not a decimal number, this number is hexadecimal number. Okay, let's see the next one. If we talk about next one, here hexadecimal means values, it is 0 to 9 or it is a to f. So for this one, can I say it is a 1 1? 1 1 is a hexadecimal number or not? Yes, obvious. It is a hexadecimal number because 1 1 that comes from this range. Okay, so this is what a hexadecimal number. What about 78? This is also a hexadecimal number because all the values comes inside this one. What about 1 2 a? Is this hexadecimal number? Yes, this is also a hexadecimal number. What about double F? Yes, this is also the hexadecimal number. 2E. What about this one? This is a hexadecimal number. Yes, this is what hexadecimal number. What about 15? 15 is also a hexadecimal number. Okay, so all these are the example for the hexadecimal numbers. ठीक है, तो ये सारे के सारे क्या है, हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर्स है. कैन आई से दिस वन 92h? इज दिस हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर? यस, 92h. इज दिस हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर? No. So 92h is not a hexadecimal number. Why? Because h is not present inside these values. So h is not present because it is present from a to f, right? So a to f, that alphabetics values we can take, but we cannot take as a h. Okay, so these are the numbers and these are the example for these numbers. So now tell me, is it fine till this part? Okay, good. Let's see next thing. So next thing we'll discuss about the conversion. Okay. So now in the next thing we'll discuss about the conversion. So conversion, we can say we can convert from this binary number, or we can say base 2 to base 10, बेस 2 to 10, 2 to बेस 8, 2 to बेस 8, 2 to बेस 10 हो गया, एंड 2 to बेस 16 हो गया, एंड 2 to बेस, हाँ 8 हो गया, एंड फर्दर 2 to 4 भी हो सकता है, ऐसे भी हो सकता है, राइट। सो ऐसे क्या किया जा सकता है, कन्वर्जन किया जा सकता है, किसी पर्टिकुलर बेस से दूसरे बेस में क्या कर सकते हैं, कन्वर्जन कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो फर्स्टली विल डिस्कस अबाउट द बेसिक कन्वर्जन। लेट्स सी, I want to convert something from that any base, we can say. I want to convert from any base x, y, z, ठीक है। x what we can say, x, y, z, and base is let's see, it is a, b, c. Yes, it is a, b, c. ए बी सी, ए बी सी इज वट ए, इट इज ए नंबर, ठीक है। और इस नंबर को क्या करना है, इसका बेस क्या रहेगा, assume x, base of abc is x, and I want to convert this base into base 10, means I want to convert this one into decimal, ठीक है। तो मेरे को इसको डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है। तो डेसिमल में अगर इसको कन्वर्ट करना है, इसका मतलब क्या होगा, इसको हम जर्नलाइज कर सकते हैं। एबीसी की जगह क्या हो सकता है, एबीसी की जगह यहाँ पे डेसिमल वैल्यूज हो सकती है, ऑक्टल हो सकती है, बाइनरी वैल्यूज हो सकती है, राइट। और एक्स की जगह क्या हो सकता है, कोई भी बेस हो सकता है, दैट कैन बी द बेस 2, बेस 3, 4, 5, समथिंग एल्स ऑल्सो, राइट। हमें क्या करना है, सेम पैटर्न फॉलो करना है, ठीक है। तो क्या पैटर्न फॉलो करेंगे यहाँ पे, वी कैन से if base is x, if base is x, so we will say it is x power 0 multiply by this value, right. So c into x power 0 plus I will sorry, I will take this value b, and I will increase the power of base. So here it is x power 1. Next time again I will add, I will take next value, and I will increase the power, right. So power of what, base. तो x की पावर क्या हो जाएगी यहाँ पे 2, x स्केयर हो जाएगा। फाइनली क्या करना है, जो भी नॉन जीरो वैल्यूज होंगी उनको क्या कर देंगे, ऐड करते जाएंगे, या फिर वो ऑब्वियसली हो गया, ए एक्स स्क्र हो गया, ए बी एक्स 1 हो गया, और सी एक्स पावर 0 हो गया। इसको फाइनली क्या करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे, राइट। इसको अगर ऐड करेंगे तो फाइनली क्या आ जाएगा, इसका रिजल्ट आ जाएगा, और रिजल्ट क्या होगा, दैट विल बी इन बेस 10, ठीक है। तो उस रिजल्ट का बेस क्या रहेगा, बेस 10 रहेगा। लेट्स सी some example from other base to the decimal base, ठीक है। so I want to convert from any other base to decimal, ठीक है। तो डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है किसी भी अदर बेस को। लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल। yes, I have this binary number. Assume that I want to convert this binary number to decimal number, right. I want to convert binary number into decimal number. So further we can say it is a base 2 to base 10 I want to convert. Okay, so let me take a binary number, it is a 1010, and I want to convert this binary number into base 10. So how to convert, so the same thing will happen here as we have seen earlier, that I will take the base, and I will take these values. So firstly I will take this value, so this value is what, 0, so it is 0 multiply by base power 0, so it is 2 power 0, plus I will take the next value is what, next value is 1 and I will increase the power by 1, so it is 2 power 1. ठीक है, उसके बाद क्या होगा, I will take the next value that is 0. ओके, और पावर को क्या करेंगे, विल इंक्रीज द पावर, 2 पावर 1 हो गया, नाउ 2 पावर 2. ओके, after that again I will add and I will take the next value is what, 1. Okay, so I will multiply this 1 with a 2 power 3. Okay, and now what I will do, I will simplify this one. If we simplify this one, we are multiplying anything with 0, it become 0, so its value is 0. Okay, after that it is a 1 multiplied by 2 power 1. 2 power 1 means it is 2 and multiply by 1 means 2, so finally this is what, 2. Okay, next anything we are multiplying with 0, it becomes 0. Okay, next one, 1 multiplied by 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is nothing but it is 8. So I will multiply 1 with 8. So it become 8. Finally, if we add this one, I will got this one as 10 and its base is 10. Right? So is it clear to all? Okay, so let me take another example. If I am taking 1 2 3, okay, should I take one more example for that binary number? Let me take one more example, after that we'll finish. Okay, so here it is the binary number given, it is 110101. Okay, this is the number given and its base is what, 2. And now I want to convert this base into base 10. Then you firstly try for this one. What should be the result? What should be the decimal value for this one? You should try. Okay, Ruby saying it is 53. Yeah, might be correct answer. Okay, Minu also it's 53. Sandeep 53. Yeah, so 53 may be the right answer. Let's check. So what it is given, base is 2 and I want to convert this one into base 10, and anything if I am converting into base 10, so what is the pattern? Same pattern. I will take this base and its power 0. So it is 2 power 0 and multiply with this first digit. So first digit is 1. After that I will take plus and I will increase the value for 1. So it is 2 power 1 and multiply this one with the next one. So this is what, 0. So you can say this one. After that I will take next digit, that is 1, and power of this 2 become 2 power 2. After that I will take next one, that is 0. So I will take 0 multiply by 2 power 3. After that I will take this one, so 1 multiply by 2 power 4, and plus I will take this one, so 1 multiply by, yes, so 1 multiplied by, it is 2 power 5. And let's calculate this one or simplify this one. So 2 power 0 into 1. So 2 power 0 is nothing but 2 power 0 means 1. 1 multiplied by 1, it is 1. Okay, after that this one, it becomes 0 because multiplying with 0 it becomes 0. So 2 power 2, 2 power 2 is 4, multiplying with 1, so it becomes 4. What about next one? Anything multiplying with 0 it becomes 0. So this is what 0. What about next one? It is 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 16, multiply by 1, so it is 16. So again we can say it is 16. Okay, let's see the next thing. It is 2 power 5. 2 power 5 means it is 32. 32, that is multiplying with 1, so it becomes 32. And we'll add this, and I will take the base as 10. So 32 plus 16. So it is I think 6 plus 2, 8, 48. So 48, 48 plus 4, it is 52, and plus 1 it is 53, right? So 53 base 10 is the correct result. Okay, so this is the right one. So is it clear to all? Yes, is it clear to all? Okay, fine. Let's see the next thing. I will take the another example. Now I will take the octal number. I will take octal number, and I want to convert this octal number into decimal number. I want to convert this one into decimal number. So we can say octal number is nothing but it is base 8, and base 8 I want to convert this one into base 10. So what is the procedure? Let's see. So I will take the example and we'll understand. So in example it is given that it is a 1 2 3, 1 2 3 and base 8, राइट. इफ इट इज बेस 8, यहाँ पे वैल्यूज क्या होनी चाहिए? लेसर देन 8. लेसर देन 8 मींस मैक्सिमम वैल्यू यहाँ पे क्या आ सकती है? 7. इट मींस यहाँ पे लेसर देन 8 वैल्यूज होंगी सारी की सारी. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? दिस नंबर इज द ऑक्टल नंबर. Okay, this number is octal number. Now I want to convert this octal number into base 10. Okay, so what is the procedure? Again the same procedure. So procedure is what we can say it is I will take this value 3, and I will take the base, and I will take the power of base as a 0. So it is 8 power 0. Again I will take the next value, that is 2, and multiply with this 8 power 1. I will increase the power also. It is 8 power 1. Next one is 1 multiply by, it is 8 power what? It is 2. Okay, and now its base become 10. So if we simplify this one, what it become? So if we simplify this one, 8 power 0, it become 1. Multiply by 3, it is 3. Plus 8 power 1 is what? 8. Multiply by 2. So 8 multiply by 2, it is 16. Plus 8 power 2. 8 power 2 means 8 8 ja. Okay, so it is 64. Multiply by 1, 64. And if we add this one, it becomes the base. So 64 plus 6, it is 70, and it is 80. Now result is what? 80. 80 plus 3 is 83. 83. And what is the base here? It is 10. Okay, so this is what the result for this number. Is it clear to all? Yes. Yes. What about others? Fine. Okay, let's see the next example. If it is 142 and its base is 8 and I want to convert this one into base 10, okay? I want to convert this one into base 10, then you try to solve this one firstly. After that I will simplify. Ruby saying it's 161, okay? Yeah, might be right. Minu saying it's 98. Yeah, it might be. So 98, 98, 98. So maximum they are saying 98. So I think 98 must be right. Let's verify. So again, what will happen? I will take this value 2 multiply by 8 power 0. So it is 8 power 0. Next time I will take value 4. 4 multiply by 8 power 1. Right? 4 multiply by 8 power 1. Next time I will take value 1. So 1 multiply by 8 power 2. And let's simplify this one. So what should be the result of this one? It is 8 power 0. 8 power 0 means it is 1 and multiply by 2, it is 2. So result for this one is 2. Let's see next one. It is 8 power 1. 8 power 1 means 8. 8 multiply by 4. 8 4 ja 32. हो मुझे आदत वो फोरजा वाली नहीं है. सीरियसली मैंने फोरजा बोला है बट मैंने ना कैलकुलेट ऐसे ही किया है 8 चौके 32. वो वाला ही अच्छा है. या नेक्स्ट वन. यस क्योंकि मेरे टाइम में ऐसा ही होता था. 8 चौके 32. 8 पंजे 40. हाँ ऐसा ही होता है. हाँ सही बात है आपके भी ऐसा ही होगा. नेक्स्ट वन. सो 8 square. 8 square means it is 64 and 64 multiply 1 means it is 64. So 64 plus, just a minute, 64 plus 32. So 64 plus 32. So 4 plus this one it is 6 and it is 9. So 96 and 96 plus 2 it is 98. So finally we can say it is 98 and its base is 10. So Ruby, this is the right answer. 98 base 10 is the right one. I think you did the calculation mistake. Is it correct? Yes. Is it clear to all? Okay. So this is what the way of converting the octal number into decimal number. Right? This is the way of converting the octal number into decimal.